Alright guys, welcome back. As you can tell, I'm all bundled up like it's snowing and I'm a robber, but it's 30 degrees out and it's cold, and today's gonna be the day where I finally turbo this bitch, so let's get to it.
First thing I'm gonna do is take the headers off. We're not gonna be needing these things anymore because there's gonna be a big old turbo there, so let's get these things off. Header bolts are all off. I'm gonna jack the car up and get the two bolts that are on the flange that connect to the full exhaust, and we'll pull the actual header off. Alright, I just got the headers off. So next piece is probably gonna drain the oil and put the new oil pan on. Alright guys, well, I got the new oil pan on. I'm mopping up the headers to the turbo right now, and then I'm gonna be slapping that on. I got the wheelbarrow fire here, a little bit of ghetto, but keeps me warm while I'm doing my thing. So I don't know if you can tell, but they sent me a manifold and everything is crooked, so I guess that's what you get for going eBay, but it makes my downpipe. I can't get it bolted up because it hits that bracket right there, the radiator. So I just moved that over. I'm gonna grind that off right there. Okay. Alright guys, well, I just got the 440cc injectors in their blue tops. So now she's gonna have enough fuel. I also got my line put on. Now I just need to cut this to length and attach the turbo. Alright guys, we're gonna do the fuel pump now. I'm cramped as fuck in here. I have a harness bar and racing seats that don't adjust, only slide forward, so I got the back seat out, bottom seat up in the window, but let's do it. So I'm going to take all these Phillips screws out, just right there. Pop this thing up real quick. To the side. Okay, so now you're going to take all these 10s off. Set that to the side. Oh, hey, look. 5 cents. We'll add that to the build. Back to these 10s. You guys get the idea. I'll update once I get this
Alright guys,
done. I got the stock fuel pump out. I chose to be running the Kesmo. It's pretty much the same thing as a Walbro, but a lot cheaper because I'm a broke boy. So yeah, I'm gonna just start doing this and I'll update you guys once it's done. But guys, I got my Kesmo pump on, so now I'm gonna put it back together and she'll be one step closer to being ready. This is probably where I'm gonna stop for tonight. Just need a couple more things. The intercooler piping, not the header with the turbo, intercooler. I need to cut this oil line a little bit shorter to put the other side of the fitting on and then hook it up to the turbo. And then I need to hook up all my gauges and the oil feed to the back of the block, and that's all, and then I can start it. But thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe.